Hi guys, I'm getting this question very frequently. CAT 19 did not go well at all. What do I do now? I don't have any enthusiasm or motivation for the subsequent exams, particularly for XAT. What do I do? So very common. It happens. It happens to everybody. You planned with one specific objective in mind. There's a lot of emotional investment that has gone into this exam. At the end of it, the intensity just leaves the system. I know what happened to me after my JEE exam. My intensity refused to find me back. It took me a year and a half to realize that I was getting smacked in my engineering. So it can happen. And so you have to find some mechanism of coping with it, especially because XAT is going to be upon us, like right now, in not that much time. You can't mope around for 3 months, then your XAT is going to tank. Notwithstanding how well CAT has gone, you need to throw your best into XAT. And so finding sustained motivation through some gimmick thing is tough. But the kind of gimmicky, artificial thing is very useful for a short-term span. And so you have to tell yourself, look, I'm going to take 1 mock. I'll take it from there. I'm going to take 2 mock XATs, nothing else. I'll worry about everything else later. I'll jump onto and do 10 sets of BDM. I'm concentrating on BDM. I'm not thinking about XAT and my MBA and do I like marketing and finance. Chase one specific niche, small target. And so it's a wonderful example from this guy called Andre Agassi, who's a fabulous tennis player. He's written a wonderful autobiography, so it's worth a read. Where he plays against, I think, Medvedev. And they play a long match, and then in the end he's dominant, but Medvedev claws back everything. At a pivotal time where he gets momentum, rain comes and the whole day's play is called off. They keep waiting and waiting and waiting, and the day's play is called off. So they have to continue the next day. And this messes with Agassi. Agassi is a momentum player, energy player. And Medvedev is nice, cold, calculative. He can hang in there as long as he can find an edge here, a bit there. And Agassi was the more talented pro, but this rain messes with him. So apparently his coach, I think it's a guy called Brad Gilbert, he went up and told him, Agassi, I don't need you to win this match. Give me 28 minutes. And so this worked brilliantly well because Agassi's mind works with specific targets. So he knew he had to hang in there for 28 minutes on the next morning. So he said, I'm going to throw myself in for 28 minutes. That's it. And it worked. At the end of the 28th minute, he had won the match. Then he came back saying, I was ready mentally only for 28 minutes. So some specific short niche targets are very useful to kind of get off the bed. If you're thinking about the big XAT thing, then that's crippling. You're saying, I'm going to do 4 BDM sets. I'm going to do 10 questions from previous year XAT papers. Then that can work yourself up. You can work yourself up for that specific target. And let me tell you, there is a plug going on here. I'm going to plug our course here. There is no better place to learn specific BDM sets and previous year XAT papers than our own YouTube channel. And so we put together a lot of questions from previous XAT papers on quant and BDM. So do check those out. These are available for members only. It's totally worthwhile buying a membership. It's very reasonably priced. At least give it a go. See what the sample is. If it's worth your while, give it a go. As ever, any questions, comments, post it on the comment section, and best wishes for your exam.